Welcome back to 10-Minute Tuesdays. I'm Jennifer Broussard with Jennifer Broussard Art, and today we're going to paint a waterfall in 10 minutes. This is the one that I painted and forgot to record. So I did it again, and I got this one. Both done in about 10 minutes. This one I pressed the timer and it was only set for 1 minute. So it's not without its glitches. I used Magnani 1404 Italia watercolor paper in 100% cotton, 140 pound and 6 by 6 inches. I used these two brushes, the silver black velvet 10 and the silver white 4. I pretty much used this one to tap in some splats. I used a little bit of bleed proof white and my Da Vinci palette. Before I turn on the timer and start painting, I'm going to walk you through the drawing. I'm starting at the bottom and I'm going to put a sloped line. They're all wonky lines. And I'm going to put a straight line for the water. And then from the water up, I'm putting another, I guess, kind of ridge. And then another one. There's a swoopy line, there's a ridge, and then we have mountains. Here is where the waterfall is going to come out. And that's about it. Then I'm going to put on some wax on the water. I'm just letting the texture of the paper pick up the wax. And then later, if you want to, you can add some bleed proof white. I'm just going to have it out in case I want to use that. Okay. Here we go. First, I'm going to get out some colors. Okay, I'm ready. Start. I'm going to get some ultramarine blue. Apparently I had 1 minute on here. I'm going to put it on 9. Okay. I hope you enjoyed painting this waterfall with me in just 10 minutes. Please remember to like and subscribe and share with your friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.